Superman, one of the most known heroes of all time. Personally, I prefer Batman, but he had this battle with this guy named Zod. Now, Superman, we all know him for the extraordinary being that he is, the vision, the ice breath, the speed, and all of this stuff. But he fought this guy named Zod on one of the latest movies. Well, not late, but his Man of Steel movie, where Henry Cavill played as Superman. Now, Zod, when he came to Earth, he didn't see things how Superman saw them, but when he did see them how Superman saw them, he was able to break things down and understand them a lot better. That we can use. When we see a whole bunch of clutter or catastrophe, sometimes we get so confused and so wound up that we can't break things down. We don't understand them. We don't know where to start. We just get so flustered in the mind, and that can cause our own destruction. So what we have to do, we have to learn to break things down. We have to break things down. We have to organize them. And doing this alone, breaking things down, being destructive, it allows us to understand these things so we can build them back better in a better way. We can, since we understand the fundamentals of what makes these things up, it can lead to a better and improved world. I mean, we see it in science all the time. We see it in athletics. We see it in people. Understanding a person's past, breaking down their past to help them create a better future. Now, me personally, I like to do this in all forms, whether it's nouns, person, places, things, ideas, or whether it's actions such as running, jumping, throwing, things of that nature. And what this does, understanding and breaking these things down, it allows us to become better. It allows us to create better environments, and it allows us to create better possible outcomes just because we can break these things down. This leads to a whole new way of understanding things. And when you unlock that level of understanding, I mean, the world is your oyster. Now that the world is your oyster, now you can truly achieve great things. You can change lives, you can change your life, you can change the world, all because you decided to break some things down, understand them, and create it to what you wanted it to be. Now, this does take time, and you have to be patient with yourself, but with that newfound patience comes acceptance. When you achieve acceptance, then that is when you will flourish and create peace.